Hello YouTube, this is Kyle D. I'm going to read you a story out of the Real Ghostbusters comic book. This one's entitled Nobody's Slimer. Yuck, Winston. Gross me out. Look at the state of my clothes. Oh, where's my cereal gone? Who did this? Slimer. That spooks history. Come on, you little slime ball. Eek. Don't worry, Ray. I'm sure he'll come back when he thinks we've cooled down. Won't he, Peter? That'll never be, Egon. Oh, nobody loves me. Poor Slimer. The story is written by Andrew Brenner, art by Brian Williamson and Dave Elliott. Lettering is by Nick Abaddon, and the coloring is by Stuart Place. On to the rest of the story. Here goes Slimer. Oh, poor Slimer's crying. Did you hear that, dear? It sounds as if somebody has left the baby on her doorstep. Just Slimer crying. I can see why it's not exactly cute, is it? Now, dear, there is no such thing as an ugly, but oh, that's an ugly baby. Poor Slimer. Eek. Well, there goes Slimer, just flying away. What are we gonna do? Oh, there goes Slimer, eating all the food. I don't know, but I'm not going to burp him. At last, he's leaving. He's eating everything. Everything. Slimer ate everything. Uh-oh. Is that a baby I hear, darling? And you're the most horrible baby I've ever seen. Oh, poor Slimer. Everyone's being mean to him. Back at the Ghostbusters. They're on the way. That's the 16th call so far. Are you thinking what I'm thinking, Janine? What are you thinking there? Hello, we're the Real Ghostbusters. Yeah, and I'm Santa Claus. No, really. Look, see? Ghostbusting equipment? Ghostbuster badges? Yeah, well, what do you want? Honey, that baby's still on our fridge. Alright, Sugar Plum. I'm just going to try to get rid of these. Hang on a minute. I get it. Go on, blast him. I can't. Oh, there goes Slimer. He's eating all the food in this guy's kitchen. Give me that. I'll do it. He's ready to get him. Oh, there goes Slimer. He's terrified. He's scared. Poor Slimer. You will not, bonk. You see, Slimer? He does love you after all. Get off me, you great slime ball. Slimer's in love. Oh, and the guy got bashed in the head and all he's seen is Slimer ball. Slimers. Spinning in circles. The end.